The purpose of this video is to show my method for getting around what seems to be a bug in Word fields when they're calculating. And maybe there's something I'm doing wrong, but this has happened to me consistently, where if I'm doing a calculation like this total here that includes another calculation, like the subtotal, I end up getting the result twice, or it doubles the amount. So for example, looking at these fields, I've got the lunch, dinner, and tax are set up like this, where they're number fields, and they're set to calculate on exit. I gave them names that match what they are, and I set the formatting to look like currency. Innocent enough. The subtotal is not a number field, but a calculation field, because it's going to calculate lunch plus dinner. And then my total field is set up to be whatever the subtotal turns out to be, plus that subtotal times tax. And I don't need these parens in here. I was messing around. Okay. Sounds innocent enough. This is a calculation field also. But it turns out it's not so innocent. Let me start enforcing protection. And let's just put an amount in. We'll spend $15 on lunch. Why is my subtotal turning into $30? And then if I add to dinner, you can see the subtotal's 40, my total's 80. So let me stop protection. And what I've discovered, the subtotal here is being a calculation field. In my total, I don't want to refer to another calculation field. I just have to work around it. So what I'm going to do is just write the whole thing out, and being the lazy person that I am, I already typed it up. So I'm just going to copy and paste that in here. So what we have, not referencing the subtotal field, is we have lunch plus dinner plus lunch plus dinner times the tax rate. And you can see these are all grouped. So lunch plus dinner gets added together, then it gets multiplied by the tax, and then all of that is grouped to be added to lunch and dinner. So let's see if this works. Start enforcing. And this is supposed to calculate as soon as we leave the field. And it looks like it's already fixed itself. 15, 25 is 40. And now let's do, say, 8% sales tax, so 0.08. That looks about right.